rather cause 4.0 magnitude earthquakes every time you fart or generate a Category 1 hurricane every time you sneeze?
Man, I would rather create a hurricane every time I sneeze, although that could be bad because I have allergies. Although farting earthquakes sounds really painful and detrimental. Sneezing hurricanes, Alex Shaw.
That is a lie.
You do?
We were at the airport.
You guys, I have IBS. It's irritable bowel syndrome. It's not.
I knew I smelled
We were
something.
at the airport.
I really knew. I was like, so it's not just me.
She
then.
cleared out an
You know
entire
what?
terminal.
I can't sidle up to that. I'm gonna switch seats.
Seriously, pizza guy? Seriously?
Nobody wants to.
Pizza guy.
Oh my gosh, you smell that?
That wasn't me. No, it wasn't. I can hear you. Talk louder into the microphone.
Because you fart too much.
Over the farting.
It's in my mouth. It's in my mouth.
Oh god, I can taste it.
She's coming out.